Hello everyone, welcome to my channel TechAnurag, and in this video we will learn how to install Google Chrome in Kali Linux. So first of all, to install Google Chrome in Kali Linux, we will open any browser in Kali Linux. So we will choose the default browser of Kali Linux, which is Firefox. Just open Firefox and search for Google Chrome download. And now click the first link, which is the official link of Google. And now click on download Chrome, and now choose 64bit.dev for Debian or Ubuntu, and then click on accept and install, and now choose save file and click on OK. And now you can see our Google Chrome is downloading, and it will take some time to download, so wait for the completion of Google Chrome file download. As we can see, the file has been downloaded successfully, and go to the file directory and do right click on it and then click on open terminal here and type ls command to see the name of the file. You may see the file name, and then type sudo dpkg space -i space and copy this name and just paste it here, and then hit enter and type a password. And now it is downloading. Wait for it, and it will complete the download in a few minutes, so wait for it. As you can see, it is unpacking Google Chrome. And now it is going to finish the completion. As you can see, it has finished the completion. Start it and search for Chrome, and then open it. As you can see, we have successfully installed Google Chrome in Kali Linux. So thanks for watching the video. Please like and share the video, and if you are new to channel, please subscribe it and set the bell icon to all, so you can get the upcoming videos notification first. And if you have any doubts or errors, you may tell me in comment section or contact me by my page. See you in next video. Stay safe, stay happy.